Hey Geek, so if you're brand new to Shotcut or just video editing in general, you might be curious on how you might do something like this. It's just a colored background along with text on top of it. And even though that sounds like something that's really simple, if you've never done video editing before or used something like Shotcut, then you might be kind of lost on how to do this. And so today I'm going to be showing you the super easy way to do this. And Shotcut already has some built-in features for that. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. So let's start with the basic one. And the basic one is having a colored background. So all that you have to do is go up here to open Other. And then you're going to choose Color. So when you choose Color, you can choose a preset. There's defaults, black, and transparent. Normally, I just choose black, but you can choose a different color. There's some default colors here, or you could choose a custom color, but I'm just going to choose this, say OK, and now we have red color. And all you have to do now is drag it into your project timeline to the track that you want. In this case, I want to drag it at the end of this track. And so now, when I play this, bam, I have my colored background. So the next one is, what if you wanted to add text to your color background? Well, Shotcut has you covered there as well. We do Open Other, and this time you're going to choose Text. And in this case, it's very similar. Here's the presets. You could also choose a background color. So we'll go ahead and choose the same color. I'll say Select. And now when you say OK, what's different now is that there's actually some text here. So here, you could actually type in a different text. I'm just going to say hello. And then you could move things around. Plus, you could change the fonts as well. There's different font colors, different types of fonts. So let's go ahead and change the font to something different. And you could adjust the size. Plus, you could also adjust the font size here. The default, it uses the font size that's here. But if you uncheck this, now you can actually adjust the size of the font by simply moving things around. And if you wanted to, you could adjust the different position, size, the horizontal fit, vertical fit. There are many options here as well. And there's also padding and thickness options. So there are many more things you could do there. But what you've done here is you have added a background along with text. And just like before, you drag it down to your project timeline on your track. And then there you go. And another great thing with having these, colored backgrounds or text is that you could add other different filters or effects. So if you go here to your plus sign, whatever you want to add, you could add it here. So there is a lot of flexibility. And at the same time, Shotcut made these default features because they knew that there would be people like us who are just starting out and they wouldn't know how to do that. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other ways you would do this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my Shotcut tutorials and tips, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. And we'll see you on another video. Protect your online privacy and keep data brokers from selling your personal information by using Delete Me, the #1 privacy information remover service since 2010. Sign up today and get 20% off your first order. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below.